Okay, let's see some candidates. That's gonna be fun. This guy has daddy issues. This guy is an actual robot. Likes shiny rocks. Likes his shield. This one likes his hammer. Oh, this one looks like a cultural fit. Nice guy, great education, 7 PhDs. Oh, and he turns into a giant green monster. Hey guys, I'm Jordan, helping you craft an epic life. Let's talk about interviews. If you send a lot of CVs and you never get a response, this video is going to help you out. Interviews are like a game in which a higher score means cooler colleagues, more interesting work, and more money. I'll teach you how to play and win that game. In the last 2 years, I've interviewed over 100 people, and I've gathered 5 tips that are going to help you get that interview. Tip number 1. Stand out from the crowd. Make your CV stand out. Make you stand out in whatever way you can. Let's focus on the CV. Search Google, Pinterest, or any other website to get a bunch of cool ideas. Figure out how do you want it to look like roughly and what kind of stuff do you want to put in there. Then use an awesome website like Canva to create an awesome design. How to use Canva in 30 seconds. First, create an account. Second, create a design. Third, search for CV. Next, pick a template. There's a bunch of them. Pick a cool one that you like, or pick a cool one that someone else likes. I don't care. Finally, edit the text and change the image. And you're done. Now you can use Canva. And time. I didn't put my watch on because I was lazy. My watch is upside down, but that doesn't matter. Who's going to see that? FYI, it's important to know that this video is not sponsored by Canva, but Canva have this new camera that I want to get, so okay. You know what to do? Tip number 2. Make your experience easy to find. So how much experience does Peter have? Like spiders. Great power comes great responsibility. Spider sense? Maybe an Avenger on the 3rd try? I can see high school education here, but no experience. How long is this thing? Recruiters want to see your experience first before they read anything else. So make that bit easy to find and let them focus on the other good things. Tip number 3. Knowledge is power. Know what you're applying for. So many people apply for a job and have no idea about what their company culture is, what their purpose is, and what do they do. Go online, Google the name of the company and read a little bit about them. Maybe go on LinkedIn and connect to one of their employees and ask them a few questions. That's also going to be useful for my favorite tip, which is coming up. On top of that, the more you know about the company, the better choices you will be able to make about working there. And if you should be working there, learn everything about the company. Tip number 4. Write a cover letter. Look, I hate cover letters. I hate them with a passion. They should not be necessary. I always let my experience speak for itself. And I would never really apply for a company that requires me to write one. But if you don't have any experience, a cover letter is your best friend. People going through CVs often have to go through tens or even hundreds of them every single day. And the fact of the matter is, very few people write a cover letter. And even fewer write a good cover letter. Use the info that you've already gathered and write a great cover letter. Explain why do you want to work there, besides the money, of course, And what can you give them? What is the awesome thing about you that they should consider while thinking about hiring you or interviewing you? A good company will appreciate that, I promise. If you're struggling to find your first job, stay motivated, or be productive, join my Discord. The first 5,000 people who like the video and join the Discord are going to get one amazing Marvel superpower for their pet rock. Go now! Go now! The lines are open! Tip number 5. Short-circuit the process. Interview screening a candidate is a tough job. You have to say no constantly. And it sucks even more for the candidates. They have to hear that no. But my favorite tip is going to teach you how to skip all that and get to the interview directly. So how do you short-circuit the process? I'm glad you asked. There is no one single way that is guaranteed to work with every single company. They're all different. But I'm going to give you a couple of things that combined with a little bit of creativity are going to get you there. Option 1. Find a referral. Find a friend working there. Find a friend of a friend working there. Use LinkedIn, message a person in the company that lives in your city and get to know them. And if you like them and you like what they're saying about the company, ask for a referral. Option 2. Get an internship. Internships are usually structured in a way that removes some of the risk for the employer and in good companies for the interns as well. So they often have lighter interviews and lighter screening processes. On the topic of internships, never ever accept an unpaid internship. A company worth their salt is going to pay you for your work. If you're getting work done, you deserve to get paid. Don't take an unpaid internship. Option 3. Side activities. Most companies have a lot of those. Find out different things that the company or some people from the company organize, join them and meet them. Things like academies, events and lectures can get your foot through the door if you present yourself well enough. Once you know the people, you'll get to know the company better, you'll get to know the culture better. Or you might potentially get an easier screening process or even a referral if you play your cards right. Tip number 6. Hack the...
Just leave it on the screen. Stop telling me.
Tony? Is that you?
We have a Hulk.
Oh.